Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be making a very tasty and flavorful vegetable fried rice. This is how I usually make my fried rice, but the only thing new to me here is the tofu. I've never tasted tofu for the first time, so this is going to be my first time. Normally I would use chicken, but for my vegan farms out there I decided to use tofu to make it even more vegan because they have been requesting for vegan recipes. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Now for the list of ingredients I used in this video, please kindly check the description box below. So to get started, we are going to add a tin of coconut milk in a pan, add some thyme. You can use fresh coconut if you want, but this is the one I have now. Then throw in 2 washed bay leaves, add some curry powder, and add some aromat. This is going to be the Nigerian way, guys. I'm making the Nigerian fried rice, but the vegan way. So add that and stir that. So as I was stirring it, I noticed that I wasn't feeling the color, so I added more curry. But if you don't want the color to be too yellowish, you can skip the extra addition of curry. Now add some salt, add some water, and stir it up. While that is boiling, I went ahead to wash my rice. I'm going to be using 3 cups of rice. This is the standard cup. You can use any amount of rice you want, but the more rice you use, the more vegetables and spices you use. So this is my rice. I'm using Basmati rice. I went ahead to wash it thoroughly until the water turns transparent like so. Now I'm going to be adding the rice into the pot. Mix everything together, mix it very well. You can taste to see if you need to add more seasoning or salt, but for me everything was okay. So I'm going to cover the pot and let the rice cook for about 10 minutes. Now while the rice is cooking, I'm going to introduce my tofu. I'm using the bio-organic tofu. The name is Joya. So I got this tofu for €2 something. Yeah, make sure you buy the organic one, or basically you can use any tofu of your choice. But if you don't want to go extra vegan, you can use chicken. Okay, you can use chicken breast, you can use kidney, you can use beef, whatever meat you want to use. But this is for my vegan farms out there. So this is how I'm going to slice the tofu. I'm going to cube the tofu just like what you will see now. Like so, yeah. But basically you can cut the tofu anyhow and any shape you want. Now in a frying pan, I'm going to add ½ tablespoon of coconut oil. I'm going to allow that to melt, and then I will start frying the tofu. Now what we are doing here is just to brown the tofu and to make it a little bit crisp. Okay, so we are going to fry it until it turns brown. As you can see now, it has started turning brown, but I'm going to fry it even more, or toast it even more until it turns brown like so. Now set that aside, and into another pot, a big enough pot, add some coconut oil, some of that coconut oil. Just add any amount you want. Now add some chopped onion. You are going to saute that for some seconds, like 30 seconds. Then add your ginger and garlic. Now we are going to fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes until it starts browning like so. After about 2 to 3 minutes, add your chopped or diced carrots. This is a stir fry recipe, so we are going to be adding and stirring. Okay, stir that for like 30 seconds and then add your scotch bonnet pepper, or you can use any chili pepper of your choice. Mix that in very well and add some long green beans. Stir. Now in here I've got yellow, green and red bell pepper. Just add that into the pot, mix it very well and add some shredded cabbage. I'm using shredded cabbage. Guys, forgive me if I'm using a little too much vegetables here, because you guys know I am so obsessed with vegetables, but you can make do with any type of vegetable you want. Okay, now I added some green peas and some sweet corn. I'm going to fry that and then I will be adding some aromat. Now this aromat is what will bring out the taste of the vegetables, so make sure you add some of that, or you can use seasoning cube, or you can use soy sauce, whatever you want, just add it there. And after mixing everything, we are going to finally add the toasted tofu and mix it well. Then we'll begin to add the cooked rice. And guys, look at the color of that rice. Oh my god, this is exactly how I love the color of my fried rice to be, like very yellow like this. Or lemon yellow, yeah. Lemon color. So we are going to fry this for about 5 minutes. Just stand there and be stirring it. Like, you have to exercise a little patience just to make sure that the rice is fried, everything is well fried, but not frying it to be too crunchy. Just fry it for 5 minutes after you've added the rice. You can taste it to see if you need to adjust the seasoning, and voila, this is my rice. It was super tasty and so flavorful. You guys, you need to try this recipe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.